Hello everyone! In this video, we will explore how to get Roblox shaders. So, let's get into it. First of all, open the browser you use for searching and type Roblox shaders in the search bar. Click on the web link to open the website from the search results. Once the website opens up on your computer screen, you will see a download button. Click on it to start the process. There are two packages available that you can select according to your requirements. For now, we will choose the free one. Click on the download button and then read the line that says, "Before downloading, you have to watch a 6-second ad." Click on download again. Wait for 6 seconds patiently. Click on the skip button from the top right corner, and the downloading process will start automatically. Once the downloading is complete, open the setup to install. Click on the Install button. Custom settings are already selected, so click on Next. Choose the presets you want to install. It will take some time to complete the installation process. Once the installation is complete, click on the Next button. Finally, click on Close and Follow. Now, the Roblox shader is installed on the PC. Let's open it to have a preview. So, this is the simplest way to get Roblox shaders. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.